Hi, my name is Chloe. Are you looking for a chiropractor? If you are, you're in the right place. I'd like to make a recommendation right from my office. If you're struggling with back pain, migraines, neck pain, scoliosis, stop this video right now and call the phone number you see on the screen today. And remember, working with the right doctor can change your life today. So stop being in pain and call today.
Hi, I'm Michaela Maroney, and I'm here at the Turner Chiropractic office. And originally, I came here because I moved to Long Beach, and I was looking for an amazing chiropractor, which I have now found, and I've been here for almost a little more than a year now. I came on St. Patrick's Day. So I've loved it here, and I came for my back in the first place, and I've always just kind of had some back problems that I've had to stay on top of, and they have really helped me, keep on top of it, because it's very important if you expect yourself to go into the gym every day and feel good, and they've made me feel good, and I'm so thankful for that. And also, another huge thing was at Visa Championships, right before, like 2 weeks before Olympic trials, where you make the Olympic team, which is probably the scariest competition of my life. I had a concussion, and I came here, and in a week they helped me heal, and it was a miracle. And I got to compete at the trials, and I made the Olympic team, and then I got to go to the Olympics, and I won a gold and silver medal. So they've really helped me, and I can't wait to come back, for more with them and go through some more interesting injuries. But hopefully, they always have me and help heal me. So I'm excited for the road ahead. Hopefully I'll maybe go to another Olympics.